Yeah, then you will get what, then you will get what, result true. Okay na, then you will get result true. Okay, so fine. So now, okay, again what is that, again I'm going to write one more expression, friend. Okay na, so based on that expression, that statement, just write the expression. Okay na, okay, write the expression. Okay, after then what is that, after then I will explain. Okay na, after then I will explain. Okay na, I'm going to write it. Okay na, I'm going to writing it here. Okay na, please see that. Okay, please see that, and analyze it, and don't worry about that. Okay na, ki oh, others know that I don't know, me know, others don't know. Don't feel. Okay na, don't feel. Okay na, in the first time no one, okay na, just I was given one statement. When the baby is born, at that time he don't know anything na, he's learning the things here only on the earth only. So we are learning that things, so we are doing that. Okay na, so don't, these kind of things should be not there in the mind. Okay, so now, okay, so what is that, what is that, I'm writing the start with what is that, start with what, uppercase, right, start with uppercase, and ends with what is, end with what is that, digit, right, end with what is that, digit. Minimum what is that, minimum 4, right, minimum 4, and what is that, maximum, right, maximum what is that, maximum 10. Okay na, this is our expression. This one is what, our expression. Can anybody write it, can anybody write it? Don't worry, still I was not explain this expression. Just analyze it and write it. If you are doing the mistake, I am there na, I am there here to correct you. Okay na, I am here. Okay na, I am here to correct you. Okay, okay, Suraj. Okay, what about others? Just write it, analyze it. I want to see that how you people is analyzing the things. Okay na, just those things I want to see. Okay na, inside you people. Okay, that's it. Except that, don't worry about that. I'm not thinking about anything, you people. Okay, so A to Z. Okay na, another one is what, another people. mm, okay, friend. Okay na, okay. Okay, so let's see that. I'm going to explain it, right, I'm going to explain it, and see that, friend. Okay na, see that the everyone given what, wrong answer. Everyone is given wrong answer. Okay na, so what is the answer, I'm going to give you people. Okay na, so what is that, see, read the statement. What is that, what is the statement? Start with uppercase, end with what, digit. Minimum 4 and maximum what, maximum what, maximum what is that, maximum what is that. Okay okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, I will increase one more line, one more statement inside that. Okay, okay na, means I will give little bit much clarity. Middle, right, middle, any character, middle, any character. Middle, what is that, any character or digit, any character or digit, right, means what is that, what is that, start with uppercase, end with digit. End with what is that, digit. Between any character or digit, anything will be there, we can accept it. Okay na, our API will accept. Okay na, yeah. Okay, so okay, don't worry. I'm only going to explain. You people is trying. These things means really good, and really I'm so feeling happy. Okay, now I'm feeling so much happy about you people. Okay, so let's move on, and we will see that. Okay, now let's move on, and we will see the things. Okay, so now fine. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, now let's move on, and we will see that. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, so okay, yeah, correct. Okay, na, still answer. I'm not getting any from anyone. Yes. Still I'm not getting anyone. Yeah, people is trying but expression, if we write like that expression, right, our API will not accept it. Okay na, accept it. No, friend, no, everyone is wrong. Okay na, everyone is wrong. Let's, I'm going to tell. Okay na, I'm going to tell. So what is our expression, what is that, read it. Start with uppercase. So for that, start with uppercase means A to Z, right, this one is correct, this one, right, A to Z. Okay, fine. So now, okay, another one is what, another one is what, end with what, end with what letters, right, no, sorry, yeah, end with what, digit. End with what is that, end with what is that digit, right? End with what is that digit, and between what is that end with digit, minimum 4 and maximum 10, but middle any character or digit, any character or digit. So for that, what we will do now, expression again we will take. So minimum means start will happen a to z, means startup is happened, right? Between anything, for that what expression we are taking now, what expression means a to z, anything will come, right? After then what is that, see, read the question, end with digit, but must end with the digit, okay na? So minimum 4, maximum 10, middle any character or digit, minimum middle any character or digit, okay na? So small letter and digit completed. After then digit also, right? So what is that, 0 to 9, 0 to 9, this is the expression, right? After then come another bracket, what is that, minimum 4, maximum 10. So what we are doing, that minimum 4, right? Minimum 4 and maximum, what is that, maximum 10, right? Maximum 10, okay, maximum 10, right? Maximum 10, but end with what, but end with digit, right? End with digit. Then to ending with the any specific letter, for that again we will use the open bracket and a curly bracket, right? Again we will use what, open bracket and a curly bracket, okay na? So after then what will happen now, what is that, end with the digit. So what is that 0 to 9, right? Like this expression we will use. See, to specify minimum and maximum size, we are using the comma, right? We are using the comma in this open bracket and close bracket. But if we want to end with any specific letter, right? So for that we are using what is that, hyphen symbol, okay na? Hyphen symbol. Then the things will become what is that, perfect, right? Based on our accordingly our application will work, okay na? Our based on that, whatever our expectation is there, based on our expectation our application will work, okay? So let's see that and we will see as a practical, okay na? Let's see that and we will see that as a practical, okay na? Practical. So for that, what I said that I'm removing this expression, right? So first letter, what is that, first letter capital A to Z, right? After then what is that, between any letter, right? A to Z, A to Z, right? A to Z. After then small A to Z, right? A to Z. And after then what is that, 0 to 9 digit also, right? But and minimum, what is that, minimum 4, right? Minimum 4 and maximum 10, right? Minimum 4, maximum 10, okay na? So after then what is that, end with what is that, digit, end with what is that, digit, right? End with what is that, digit. So 0 hyphen 9, 0 to 9, right? So okay, so now, so what is that, start with what is that, start with what, bracket mistake.
Yeah,
Yes,
4 comma 10 curly
yes,
braces.
yes, 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 correct. Thank you. Thanks for your observation, right? Really, I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay, so now fine. So here, what is that? Come. What is that? First letter I'm taking. What is that? Just I'm taking my name only. First letter R. After then, what is that? Minimum 4 letter should be, right? Minimum 4 letter means R. After then, between any letter, but end with what, digit, right? So RAV I'm taking, right? And I'm ending with what is that, 7. I'm ending with what, this Ravi Rav 7, right? Rav 7 I'm taking, right? Rav 7. So now just let me know that this condition is true or false. This condition is true or false. Use the chat box. Use everyone. Yeah, I'm running this application and I see that. It's my mistake. 1 minute, friend. Okay, 1 minute. I think this one is not taking. Hmm. False only. Okay, I'm going somewhere wrong. Anyone tell? I'm wrong somewhere, okay na? Because it's passing error we are getting. Yes, 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 yes. I will. I will say 0 to 9. 1 minute. 1 minute. Our something we are going to write wrong, right? First letter capital between anything. Ravi, RAVI. Okay, Ravi. End with the letter. Okay. 1 minute, friend. Okay, na somewhere we are doing the mistake. We are doing the mistake. Okay. Minimum 4 letter, right? So 4 letter we are taking, right? RAVI 7. Oh, oh, okay, okay, okay. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. We will see that. Okay, na. Sometime our expectation is not winning. Don't worry about that. Don't lose hope. Okay, don't lose hope. So what is that? 0 to 9. I said right. Means this expression is wrong. Our API is not able to pass it. Okay, so what we are doing now? Just take this expression. Means this one is working or not? Yes, yes, yes. So here also, friend, okay, na, here also, what is that? Here also not a hyphen symbol, okay, na, comma symbol, okay. It's my mistake, okay, na, it's my mistake, okay. See, the condition is true, right? If we are not ending with what, let's see that if we are not ending with the letter, the condition is false, okay, na, condition is false. So this one is denoted, it's my mistake, okay, na, at the time explanation, sorry for that, okay, na, sorry for that, friends, okay, na. So between what is that, end with what, end with what is that, end with what is that? 0 to 9, okay, na, 0 to 9, okay, na. So sorry, really sorry, I explained wrong, okay, na. Here I given the this symbol, no, this one only, okay, na, this one only. Expression is everything is same only, but what is that? Comma only, okay, na, comma only, okay. So okay, so now, so okay, na, so like that, but end with what, end with what digit, okay, na. So after then what is that? We have need to take one letter, we have need to take one letter, otherwise we will get what, we will get what? False condition, we will get the false condition. Now the condition is true. If we are removing the letter end with what digit, then see, we are getting the false condition, right? We are getting the false condition, okay. So now, okay, again I'm going to write one more expression, right? Again I'm going to write one more things, okay na. Use the chat box and give the answer. Except what is that? Exactly 10 digit, right? Exactly 10 digit, 10 digit only, right? Only except our expression should accept only 10 digit, 10 digit. So for that, can you people write the expression? Use the chat box. Let's, I will see that, I will see that, because I already explained this concept, I already explained to you people. Let's analyze it, let's analyze it and use the chat box. Use the chat. No, digit only. I said digit, not other thing. Vipin, I don't want other things. Okay, na, digit only. See, except exactly 10 digit only, right? 10 digit. Yeah, Manjulata, correct. Vipin, correct. Padma, no Padma. Other, use the chat box, friend. Each and everyone. In Phoenix, note. Yeah, correct. Chandan, no Chandan. If we write like this expression, just only one word between 0 to 9 we can take it. Others, what about others? Okay, so okay, so what is that, what is that? See that, right? What is that? See that, this one, right? See that, see this one, okay na. 0 to 9, right? 0 to 9, what is that? Except exactly 10 digit, right? 10 digit, 10 digit, I'm saying that, okay na, friend. I'm saying that, what is that? 10 digit, okay na. Raj correct, Jitendra correct. Okay, so now after then what is that, my expression should be in between what is that 0 to 9, 10 digit we have need to. So just we will pass this one right in this expression, right? We will take this expression and inside that what we will do now, 10, right? 10, then what is that, our API will accept 10 digit. If we give the less number of 10 digit, the digit, right, then we will get the condition as a false, right? So what is that, 0 to 9, right? 0 to 9, after then what is that, open bracket and curly bracket 10, and inside that what we will give, 10, right? So 10. So now okay, so here what I'm going to do now, just tell, okay na, just tell, I'm taking one, the condition is true or false, true or false, use the chat box, true or false, true or false, true or false. Use everyone chat box, friend, okay na, use everyone chat box. We are about to completing, yeah, false, we are about to completing the pattern. I'm going to explain what is Spring MVC module. Now from here onward I will not ask you people anything, don't worry, I only explain everything, okay na? True, why true, Achilles? Why true, Achilles? Because I given what is that, minimum and a maximum size 10, minimum also and maximum both. We means what we will do now, let's run this, okay na, run this application, false, okay na, minimum and maximum both. But here what is that, 1 1 1 1 1 1, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 minute, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? Now condition will become true. See, true. Minimum later also 10 and maximum later also 10. This expression is representing, okay na, read the answer what I wrote, except exactly 10 digit only, 10 digit only, right? So for that this is the expression, okay, this is the expression, okay na. So okay, so now last, let's last, after then we will start our Spring MVC, right? After then we will start, because I prepared to you people what, how much I have need to implement the things inside what Spring validation. That much I covered, pattern matching, friend, okay na, pattern matching I covered now. So okay, so let's understand as what, practically, okay na, let's understand as practically, okay na. So I'm going to write it, okay na, I'm going to write it, okay na. Okay, so let's what is that, start what is that, start what is that, start with what is that, start with what, 1, start with 1 to 9, right? Start with 1 to 9 later any digit, right? Any digit and minimum what is that, minimum and maximum, max also, right? Max, minimum equal to max equal to 10, means don't, both everything is the same only, right? So between means start with what, between 1 to 9 later means digit, I'm talking about that digit only, right? Digit, here digit only, later means digit. I don't want ABCD. 1 to 9 only, take the 1 to 9, and minimum also 10, maximum also 10, right? So for that, how we can write the expression, just let me know that, let me know that. Means first one, what is that, start with what is that, 1 to 9, means between any letter we can take first letter, right? After then what is that, any letter we can take, but 0 to 9 also we can take it. After then what is that, that API will accept what is that, minimum 10 letter. No, Manjulata, wrong, okay. Yeah, Suraj, 1 to 9, okay, 1 to 9, after then again you are taken, no Suraj, no. Okay, let it be, I'm going to give, okay na, answer. So what is that, between, start with 1 to 9, means we can start the letter 1 to 9, after then later what is that, later any digit, but starting should be 1 to 9 only, between 1 to 9 letter, okay na, between 1 to 9 letter, like, means our expectation is what is that, think about the start with this one, and means after then any digit, after then any digit, but digit minimum digit 10 digit, this one, right? This one expression, I want this kind of expression, right? So for that, r start with this one and later any digit, right? Later any digit like this, I want, right? So for that, meaning of this I write meaning of this one only, right? whatever I wrote the statement of this one, meaning of this one only. 1 to 9, 0 to 9 and a 10. Yeah, Saurabh, perfect. Saurabh, perfect. And Jitendra, 0 to 9, 0 to 9, 0 to 9, 10. Jiten, correct only, but in the first statement, little bit read it, okay na? Zero. Okay na, Saurabh? Saurabh, you are correct, little bit wrong, okay na? Your analysis is correct. Padma, 1 to 9, yeah, perfect, Padma, perfect, okay na? Perfect. Yeah, okay, perfect. Okay na, same only. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now? What I'm going to do now? Okay na. So what is that? 1 to 9, right? 1 to 9. Okay na. Next, later, what is that? Any digit. Any digit means 0 to 9. 0 to 9. After then, what is that? Minimum 10, right? Minimum 10, maximum 10, right? Minimum 10, maximum 10. Same expression. How we are writing previously. Okay na. Like that we will write the expression. Okay na. Let's see as a practical. Let's see the same expression as a practical. Okay na. So what is that? What is that? 1 to 9, right? 1 to 9. After then later, what is that? 1 to 9. Later, what is that? Later, what is that? Another bracket. What is that? 0 to 9 means any letter. 0 to 9, any letter. And we will restrict this letter. We will restrict this one as, what is that? 10, right? 10. Okay na? We will restrict this one. Okay na? 10. Okay, so fine. So for that, what is that? Just let me know that this expression is correct, true or false. What is that? 1 1 1 1 1 I taken means, what is that? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, 10 digit is there. Use the chat box and let me know that true or false, true or false, true or false, true or false. Saurabh, true, Manjulata, true, Bipin, true, Jitendra, true, another people, true, or daily, true. Okay, who people is given the true answer means correct. Okay na, who is the given the true answer? Correct. Okay na, let's run the application. See, okay, I know that why it's giving the, don't worry about that, I will tell. Okay na, false. Okay na, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? 10 only, 10 is there. Why it's giving the false answer? 1 minute. Array, why we are giving, it's giving, it's not right. Okay na, the answer we are getting.
Ravi, in curly braces 10.
Huh?
In curly braces last one 10.
Yeah, this one, right?
Yeah, that one.
But here, 1 minute. I will take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? Okay, so now run it. Hey, why this one is giving the wrong answer? Somewhere we are doing the mistake, I think, na? But our expectation answer is true. Okay, I'm taking the less one. One.
Ravi, there is some space in line number 9
Huh?
before the bracket.
Hmm?
There is one space before the bracket in line number 9.
Free space?
There is one space you need to remove
No.
at line number 9.
Line number 9, where the space is there?
Yes, exactly. Before first bracket. First, yes.
No, not bracket. Space is there. Okay, now, okay, don't worry. I will write again. That is not
Yeah.
problem. Okay, now that is not problem. 1 to 9. Okay, 1 to 9. After then another bracket. Another bracket. What is that? 0 to 9, right? After then we will specify exactly 10. Let's take 9. I'm taking the 9. Okay, 9. I'm taking the 9 word. Okay, leave it. 9 word I'm taking. Okay, so 1 uh 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, why we are going somewhere wrong? Array, why it's giving wrong result? We are wrong. Okay na, it's not compiler will, JVM will not give the wrong answer. We, whatever we are giving the instruction, that one is giving the answer. Okay. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Between what is that? Between our expression start with 1. What we wrote? 1 minute. We will correct yourself. Okay, na? If we are wrong somewhere. Okay, na? Start with 1 to 9. Okay, na? Later any digit. Minimum and maximum 10. Anybody can able to analyze this one? Can you give the? Okay, I will check it. Okay, na? Later any digit means we can later any digit, na? Okay, I will give. Okay, no problem. 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 8. Total counting number is 9. Okay. No, yaar, still it's not giving. 8, 9. Okay, 9. Okay. So why is giving the false? Something we are doing the wrong. Okay, na? Anybody can analyze it. Okay, na? Or use the okay, na? We only 0 to 9 for. Can we try 0 to 9? Where we can 0 to 9? Okay, okay. 0 to 9, right? You are saying this one. Okay, 0 to 9. So means 0 to 9 means what is that? Minimum 0, maximum 0. No, minimum. What is the question? Read the question. Minimum equal to maximum equal to 10. Everything should be same only. I said that. Okay. Same like we are writing the later expression also. But here, why it's not working? Why it's not working? Okay, 1 minute. Let's use the what is that? Internet. We will see that. Okay, na? We will see that. Okay, na? Start. What is that? Start with what? Start with 1 to 2. 1 to 2. 1 to 9, right? Later any digit. Later any digit. Okay, na? Minimum equal to max equal to 10, right? This is our expression. Minimum also 10. No, minimum also Suraj, we both cannot take same. Okay, na? Both cannot take same. 10 if we take, compiler only will give the wrong. Restrict text response with a regular expression. We can't take both argument, right? 10 we can't take. Okay, na? I will show that yours whatever your query is there, I will show it. Okay, so okay, let it be. Later I will see. Are you people this much analysis I given, na? Please once give one more digit. Okay, na? So where? Okay, na? Analyze it yourself only. Okay, na? Analyze it yourself only. Okay, na? Later we can. Okay, na? Later we I will tell. Okay, na? In the chat box. Okay, na? I don't know why it's going beyond our expectation. Okay, na? So later we will analyze it. Okay, na? Let's move on. How much we have need in the Spring MVC, friend? Okay, na? We learn the things. Okay, na? Don't worry about that. We learn and we completed it. Okay, we learn and we completed it. Okay, so okay, we will check later. Okay, na? Only one expression. Okay, na? After then I'm going to wind up this pattern only, but that one is the last expression, and even I will not use in the Spring MVC validation purpose, right? I will not use it. Okay, na? Don't worry about that. Okay, na? So till now whatever explanation I given, please unmute yourself, friend, and let me know that each and everyone let me know that, and then we will start a spring MVC validation form validation. Okay, na? I'm going to give the flow of a spring form validation. Please use the chat box. No, not a chat box. Unmute yourself. Bipin,
Yes, sir,
Yeah,
got it.
yes, sir.
Saurabh, Padma,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, the things is clear, right? Whatever things I given till now, the you
Yes.
people is catch up easily.
Yeah, start Ravi now.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Very well.
Yeah, I'll tell it. Correct,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Even by every time I made you people active, also use the chat box, right? So don't worry, from here onward I only give the explanation. I will not tell to use the chat box, but this analysis is required when I will validate when I will validate the form. This form I'm going to validate it, right? So this form, right? This form I'm going to validate it. Okay, na? I will validate. I will perform the server side validation. At the time I will explain again I will use these things in that validation. Okay, na? Because of that I explain these things. Okay, na? I started. Yeah. So now you people want break. Shall I start? Continue. Let me know that. Use the chat box because 2 are completed, friend. Okay, na? 2 are completed. If you people want break, let me know that. Okay, na? Then we will start Spring MVC validation. Others, everyone use the chat box. I'm asking the break you people need or not. Others, please, everyone break, right? See, only 2 to 3 people is saying that what 2 to 3 people is saying that we no need break. Okay, na? And a break and other people is need break. Okay, na? So let's do that. Okay, in India, friend, 353 is happening, right? 353 happening. We will connect again, right? We will connect again. What is that? 410. 410. Let's take 10-minute break. Okay, na? Let's take 10-minute break and again we will continue the session. Okay, na? 10-minute break means what is that? We will connect 410. Okay, na? In the group I will tell let's connect. Okay, na? Don't worry about that. From the other country people, please observe the group. Okay, na? 40 means 7 minutes here and 10 minutes there. Okay, na? Total 17 minutes. After 17 minutes we will connect it again. Okay, na? And from there we will learn the things. Okay, na? So for that let's stop the session and after 17 minutes we will connect again. Okay, na? Okay, take the tea and all those things. Okay, we will connect after then and then we will start a Spring MVC form validation flow. Okay, guys. Okay.